Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Metabo framing nailer. First, prioritize safety by always wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and hearing protection. Before each use, carefully inspect your nailer for any signs of damage or loose parts. Familiarize yourself with the owner's manual to understand all safety features and operational guidelines specific to your Metabo model. This ensures a safe and efficient work environment. Next, let's prepare your Metabo nailer for action. Begin by loading the appropriate nail strip into the magazine, making sure the nails are facing the correct direction. Then, connect your air hose to the nailer and set your air compressor's pressure. A range between 80 and 120 psi is typically ideal for most framing tasks. Finally, adjust the depth of drive to ensure your nails are set perfectly flush with the material. Now, let's get to nailing. Firmly press the nailer's nose against your workpiece, ensuring it's stable before you pull the trigger. Use a smooth, consistent motion to drive each nail accurately and safely into the material. Always maintain a safe distance from anyone else in your work area and keep your hands well clear of the firing mechanism to prevent accidental injury. Practice on scrap wood first. Finally, proper maintenance and storage will extend your nailer's life. Always disconnect the air supply and remove any remaining nails before cleaning or servicing the tool. Apply a few drops of pneumatic tool oil into the air inlet daily to keep internal components lubricated. When you're finished, store your Metabo framing nailer in a clean, dry environment, protecting it from dust and moisture for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.